Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sarah, and I'm very happy you're here with us today.
And I'm John. Today, we will explore a motivational quote together. We'll read it slowly and explain each line in simple English so you can learn and improve your listening skills.
Yes, and today's quote is very inspiring. It is about dreams, belief, and never giving up. I'll read the quote one line at a time, and John will explain it for us. Ready, John?
Always ready, Sarah.
Here is the first line. Never stop dreaming.
Dreaming here does not mean sleeping dreams. It means your hopes and goals in life. Maybe you dream about becoming a doctor, a teacher, an artist, or starting a business. This line tells us something important. Always keep your dreams alive. Even when life becomes difficult, your dreams give you direction. Without dreams, life can feel empty.
I like that explanation. Dreams are like a map for our future.
Exactly. And without a map, we might end up somewhere strange, like a pizza shop at midnight.
Well, that doesn't sound too bad, actually.
True, but dreams usually lead to bigger things.
Let's read the next line. Never stop believing.
Believing means having confidence in yourself and your dreams. Sometimes people doubt themselves. They think, maybe I'm not good enough. But this line tells us to keep believing. If you don't believe in yourself, it becomes much harder to move forward.
So belief is like the fuel that keeps our dreams moving?
Yes, dreams are the destination, belief is the fuel.
Ooh, and hopefully not the expensive kind of fuel.
Exactly.
Next line. Never give up.
This is a powerful message. Life will bring problems. You might fail. You might feel tired or discouraged. But giving up means stopping completely. This line reminds us that success often comes after many attempts. Many successful people failed many times before they succeeded.
So failure is not the end.
No, failure is often just part of learning.
That makes mistakes sound a little less scary.
Exactly.
Next line. Never stop trying.
Trying means making effort again and again. Maybe the first time doesn't work. Maybe the second time also fails. But if you continue trying, you improve. Each attempt teaches you something new.
So trying is like practice.
Yes, imagine learning English. The first conversation might feel difficult, but if you keep trying, speaking becomes easier.
Yes, and sometimes we say funny mistakes.
Very funny mistakes.
Like the time you said, I'm boring, instead of I'm bored.
Okay, let's not talk about that story again.
All right, let's continue. Next line. And never stop learning.
Learning should never end. Life always has something new to teach us. We learn from books, from experiences, from mistakes, and from other people. When we continue learning, we continue growing.
I like that idea. Learning keeps the mind alive.
Exactly. A curious mind is a strong mind.
Let's quickly review the quote together. Never stop dreaming. Never stop believing. Never give up. Never stop trying. And never stop learning.
These 5 ideas create a strong life lesson. Dreams give direction. Belief gives strength. Effort brings progress, and learning brings growth.
So, here's a question for our listeners. What is one dream you have for your future?
And what is one step you can take today to move closer to that dream?
Remember, success does not happen in one day. It grows slowly with belief, effort, and learning.
Keep practicing your English. Keep learning every day.
And most importantly, never stop dreaming.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep growing.